What's going on, guys? I'm Bob Scott and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to put this video together to take a look back at 2017 and give you guys a little bit of insight on who I am and why I'm here. So let's rewind all the way back to the beginning of 2017. Didn't have a camera, didn't have a drone, didn't have any equipment at all, but finding a way to tap into my creative side was something I've been trying to do for the last few years. When I was younger, I used to do freelance graphic design. I used to create websites for musicians, tattoo shops. I used to even create those custom MySpace profiles that you used to see, if anybody remembers back then. But for the last about 10 to 15 years of my life, I've been just really focused on my career and work and being a grown-up. And sometimes being a grown-up isn't that much fun. So 10 years ago, my wife and I moved up to Portland, Oregon, and started really exploring all over the Pacific Northwest. We'd take road trips out to the coast, we'd drive up to the mountain, we even lived in Bend for a couple years. So rewind back to the beginning of 2017, I started really getting into watching YouTube videos and watching other creators explore, create these amazing videos, take awesome photographs from all over the world, and I thought, man, I could do that. Like, that would be something that would be super fun, but I knew it was gonna be an expense. So I started my very first purchase with the GoPro Karma drone, which I later realized wasn't the best investment. I had bought the drone was because it came with a drone, it came with a GoPro, it came with a handheld stabilizer. It seemed like the best all-in-one kit for somebody that was just getting started. So I had the GoPro Karma drone for about a month, and that drone had one serious mind of its own. It would just randomly fly straight up, it would just take off to the left, and it was the last time that I crashed it is when I said, I need to take this thing back. So I returned it, got my money back, which was awesome, and I bought the DJI Mavic Pro drone. It is a fantastic drone. That little drone has really sparked my passion for creating videos and getting outside and just exploring the world any chance that I get. Shortly thereafter, we bought our first camera. So we bought the Sony a65 100 mirrorless camera. So all the equipment that I'm currently using is I've got my DJI Mavic Pro drone, I've got my Sony a6500. The audio I'm using right now is the Rode VideoMic Pro. I also use a GoPro, and I've got a couple stabilizers to smooth out my videos while I'm walking around. Now, I'm by no means a professional. Like I said, I just started buying equipment in 2017 and just started figuring out like what the hell I'm doing. and I'm learning through YouTube. I'm gonna continue making videos, I'm gonna continue taking photographs, I'm gonna continue exploring and traveling because that's what I love to do. But I'm not gonna bank on that, so I still have a career, I still get up every morning and I go to work, but photography and videography and traveling and exploring is something that we just love doing on our days off. So the things that we really love doing right now is just jumping in the car, going camping, getting a pet-friendly hotel, staying on the coast, going to the mountain. But I'm really excited to actually be in front of the camera and be talking to you guys, giving you a little glimpse of who I am and what I'm all about, because I know that connecting faces and personalities to videos is important because it makes you more connected. There's more of an emotional response behind it, and for me that's really, really important. If you like my videos, please subscribe, comment all you want. Like, I'd love to hear all your feedback. If there's anywhere in the Pacific Northwest or even in the US or Canada that we should go check out, let me know, because we're always looking for new places to explore. So with that being said, let's take a look back at some of my favorite shots over 2017, some that didn't make the cut on the YouTube and whatnot. And thanks again for stopping by.